Hello, my name is Will Miller, and welcome to week 4 of your BCIS class at TCCD. The first thing I want to talk about is emailing. Please make sure that whenever you email me, you put BCIS somewhere in the email along with a good phone number. I teach multiple classes at TCC, and it really does help me know which class you're in wherever you email me, and also it just helps me not having to look up a phone number if I decide I need to call you. Also, I've had a couple of emails regarding extending due dates. I don't extend due dates. Instead, what I do is I drop assignments. I'll drop one of your project grades, I'll drop one of your quiz grades, and I'll drop one of your discussions. Obviously, I'm not going to drop the final, and I'm not going to drop the simulation, the lessons, because they're always out there. The lessons are always out there multiple weeks. And so are the projects, but there's more projects to drop than there are lessons. I think there's only 4 lessons for your course, and those are things that are must-haves for this course. And obviously, I'm not going to drop one of your final exam grades. So, that's kind of the way I take care of it is, if you miss a week, if somebody gets sick or something like that, hey, that happens, I get it. But rather than letting you get too far behind and trying to work, from a deficit, I just say, hey, look, you know what, that grade's going to get dropped. No worries. Now just continue on. And uh, that's another reason why, specifically for the projects and the lessons, don't ever wait until the last week. So if you're just now starting the lessons and projects, then you're probably going to have a very stressful week because you really need to get those done quickly. Let's go ahead and talk about the unit 3. So for this unit, make sure that you're reading through all this material that's being provided, going through the videos. Remember that you're supposed to do Learn Smart. I always assume, or I always would highly encourage doing that first. That way, whenever you do the discussion board, you're speaking intelligently about the topic. Remember to get your initial post done by Wednesday. And then you have 2 follow-up posts that are due by Sunday night. When you're done with the Learn Smart and the discussion boards, or you don't really have to be done with at least the initial discussion question, then go ahead and move on into the quiz. I've had several questions about ProctorU. We no longer use ProctorU with TCCD. We're going to use a product called Proctorio, and I'll give you guys more information about that as I get it. So no worries, it's only going to be on the final exam, and whenever I saw the demo of it, really all you have to do is just load a browser extension for Chrome. So it's not like you have to go in there and you have to schedule anything. So, okay, well, don't hesitate to email me. Just make sure it's got your name and a good phone number and probably a good time to call you after, say, I normally get out of work and I'm home by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, okay, have a good week. Thank you. Bye.